Hi, my name is Svenja. I'm a training manager at ERCO, and I will show you today the working environment at ERCO. From a town hall meeting area till a co-working space, from collaborative working till a little bit more private. Here in the front area, we are showing you flexible and dynamic co-working space. While in the background, you can see an area where you can sit for a longer period of time with ergonomic chairs and ergonomic tables. And everything is controllable via Bluetooth. Unlimited flexibility is the working environment we want to show here, as well as unlimited flexibility within the lighting. Is my table or my seating situation changing? I can adopt whatever I like. The Jilly track downlight is a spotlight, but with the technology of a downlight, so my whole flexibility is given here. This little sensor is a Bluetooth sensor for our track installation. It makes it possible to turn off the light or either dim it when daylight is coming into the space. Experience light as you need it and not just uniform light everywhere, just light where you really want to work.